The year is 2025. California, a state synonymous with golden sunshine and Hollywood glamour, finds itself once again grappling with a terrifyingly familiar faux wildfires. Fueled by a deadly cocktail of climate change, drought, and human activity, these infernos have ripped through the state, leaving behind a trail of devastation, displacement, and despair. Homes and businesses have been reduced to ashes, families torn apart, and ecosystems irrevocably scarred. The 2025 wildfires serve as a stark reminder of our planet's increasing fragility in the face of a changing climate. They underscore the urgent need for proactive measures to mitigate the risks we face and build a more resilient future. As we confront the aftermath of these disasters, the role of the insurance industry takes center stage. Traditionally perceived as protectors against financial loss, insurers now face a defining moment. They have a moral imperative to evolve from simply mitigating risk to actively shaping a more sustainable and resilient world. In essence, they must become world builders. The insurance industry, with its vast financial resources and deep understanding of risk, is uniquely positioned to drive positive change. This requires a fundamental shift in perspective, from simply reacting to disasters to proactively mitigating the factors that contribute to them. It's about moving beyond calculating the cost of catastrophe to investing in its prevention. The Principles for Sustainable Insurance, a UN-backed initiative, provides a robust framework for this transformation. The PSI urges insurers to embed environmental, social, and governance factors into their core business decisions. This means considering the long-term sustainability implications of their underwriting and investment portfolios. For example, insurers can promote sustainable building practices by offering discounted premiums for fire-resistant structures. They can incentivize the adoption of renewable energy sources by providing preferential coverage for homes and businesses that utilize them. By aligning their business practices with sustainability goals, insurers can play a pivotal role in mitigating future risks and fostering a more resilient society. The impact of climate change is not felt equally. Vulnerable communities, often those least responsible for contributing to the crisis, bear the brunt of its consequences. The 2025 California wildfires have exposed the harsh realities of this inequality, with low-income communities and communities of color disproportionately affected. The insurance industry has a crucial role to play in bridging this gap through inclusive insurance. This involves developing accessible and affordable insurance products that cater to the specific needs of vulnerable populations. For instance, micro-insurance schemes can provide financial protection to low-income families against climate-related risks, while parametric insurance can offer rapid payouts based on predefined triggers, such as rainfall levels or earthquake magnitude. Moreover, insurers can leverage their expertise to advocate for policies that promote social equity and climate justice. This includes supporting legislation that incentivizes affordable housing in low-risk areas and promotes investments in climate-resilient infrastructure for vulnerable communities. The insurance industry stands at a crossroads. The traditional model of simply responding to disasters is no longer sufficient. The time for proactive, future-oriented solutions is now. This requires embracing innovative technologies, forging strong public-private partnerships, and prioritizing transparency and accountability. Artificial intelligence and machine learning can revolutionize risk modeling and prediction, enabling insurers to better anticipate and prepare for future disasters. Public-private partnerships can facilitate the development of early warning systems, community resilience programs, and climate adaptation strategies. Transparency in underwriting and investment policies, along with robust accountability mechanisms, are essential to ensure that the industry's actions align with its sustainability commitments. The 2025 California wildfires are a stark warning. They remind us that the consequences of inaction are far too great to ignore. The insurance industry, with its unique capabilities and influence, has a moral obligation to lead the charge towards a more sustainable and resilient future. By embracing the principles of sustainability, promoting inclusive insurance solutions, and harnessing the power of innovation, the industry can help us navigate the turbulent waters of a changing climate and build a world where everyone can thrive. The time to act is now.